witches, and happy Pride. Everyone is welcome here. In tonight's video, I wanted to show you some Pride merch that I picked up for almost next to nothing, and I am super excited not only to show you but to wear these for the upcoming Pride events. The theme this year in Montreal is We Are the Rainbow, and I think that I have nailed that theme. I actually got this large, new and improved flag for just $1, and I'm thinking of wearing it like as a skirt, as like a wrap, or we'll figure it out, but that's the goal for that. I also picked up these 2 packs of temporary body tattoos, all Pride themed. Here we have smiley face with pride glasses, peace sign, the hearts in the rainbow colors. I'm definitely wearing this. Just a circle with a heart in it, a heart with the rainbow, ice cream, pride flavors, the hand with the heart, the peace sign with the fingers, a shooting star with the rainbow, and another smiley face and glasses. So maybe like the peace sign and this are my faves. And on this side, you'll see something very familiar soon to this rainbow with the hearts falling from it. You have the mouth and the rainbow tongue. I also like that. The rainbow heart, a bow, another smiley face. So like a loudspeaker, the waving flag, and then all the hands together, which can be really nice for like around the wrist, around the ankle, around the arm, something like that. So I will be tatted up nonetheless. Moving on to the fun part. This is a eye gem bonanza here. You have above the brows and underneath the eyes. Might as well take it out. Rainbow color, this is going to be a standout piece for sure. Just do like your makeup look, and this adds everything and more. J'adore. I also picked up this set. It had 6 customizable brow gems on it. Some you can put around the eyes. There's 2 missing. I have begun to use these 2 and these 2. So for my first Pride event, I believe I'll use these 2 just on the side of the eyes. Always makes the eyes pop. Smaller gems, pearls. I like the tones of the jewels as well. Super beautiful. Also picked up these pearls 30-piece pack of adhesive hair pearls. Some of them will be for the hair, and some of them will most likely go on my face. I don't know if I'll wear them this Pride, and it's not necessarily from my collection, but super adorable. This pack was $3, and the other two were $5 on sale. Absolutely stunning. I started last August when I went to Sam Smith's concert, and I put the gems along my hairline, so I might bring that back. Continuing into hair, I have these gold and rainbow hair clips. Might wear these to the first event. Because for the parade, I'm going to do a twist out and crown myself with this beautiful Pride headband, the 2 hearts. I think it's so darling, so dainty, but it's gonna add just what I need. So I'm gonna try not to do too much. I'm gonna look at myself in the mirror and probably take one thing off. That's the rule. Then I have these beautiful blue and purple, almost pink ombre earrings, which I will be wearing to see Crystal Waters. La da dee da doo da. That's enough. And I just think that it's super fitting for her name. And I am so gagged by these. These dangly rainbows, gold with a sparkle at the end of them. Drop earring with the curls out. Can you picture it? I can. So statement, so stunning. Obsessed with these. These earrings were both $1 each. I can't believe. Also $1 was this rainbow choker. And if you know me, you know I was definitely a choker girly for a while. And I mean, it's just way too perfect. Then again, $1. These rainbow heart socks, which I may or may not wear. I don't know what shoes I'll be wearing, open toe or sneakers or what. But if I do wear socks, I will wear these, given the heat. So darling. because I also got these fuzzy rainbow striped socks, which I think will be good for the winter months, which are rapidly approaching. Summer is almost over. Again, $1, $3. These were like $2. Everything under $5, we know that. And lastly, but not the leastly, I don't know if I'll be carrying my stuff in this, but this was a part of their Pride collection. They were going for, I believe, over $20 or $30. They had some beautiful fanny packs as well. I just wasn't able to get my hands on it. Guess how much? I have a mini version that I took to and it's like the same size, the small pocket, the main pocket, and of course I love iridescent, the green, the blue that it pulls, and the purple. So I am fully stocked, loaded, ready to go. Catch me on the streets. If you do, say hi. But for now, it's like this video. If you did, share this video with your loved ones, friends, and family, the whole community. Click the subscribe button so that you can become a beautiful red, orange, yellow, green, purple, and blue jay. Comment down below which piece was a perfect score for you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.